Good afternoon. Good afternoon, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
And today we are starting new chapter.
Yes, today we have to start. I haven't started this chapter in your class.
Ma'am, we have done in online classes.
No, but in online classes, all students have not done because they were attending school that time. So open up your books to page number 82, everyone. We'll start this chapter today, chapter 13, the northeastern states. Yes, who will read? Manya. Okay, let's begin with Manya from the beginning, beta.
Chapter 13, the northern states.
No, the northeastern states.
The northeastern states. The seven sister states are the contiguous states of
Beta, see,
Arunachal.
Manya, beta, I told you earlier also, when we begin a chapter, we read all the things given at the top. Let's learn about key terms, reflect, everything.
Let's learn about states, the climate, the vegetation, famous places to visit, key terms. Brahmaputra tea
Tea plantations.
plantations, Naga Hills,
Loktak Lake.
Loktak Lakes,
Mawsynram.
Mosindra reflects. Why do you think that states in Northeast India are called the Seven Sisters?
Okay, any idea that all the states, see the map given on page number 82. We have all the states of the northeastern region. Why do you think they are called seven sister states? Yes, Alankrita is raising her hand. Why?
Ma'am, because they are neighboring and close to each state.
Yes, they are very close to each other geographically, and also they have a lot of common things in them. Like how if you have a real sister at home, I'm sure you and your sister match a lot. You have a lot of things in common. Yes. So these sisters also have a lot, sorry, these states also have a lot of things common in them. That is why we call them seven sister states. Now we are going to study what all things are common between them. And also they are contiguous. Contiguous is that all the states border each other. They are very close to each other. Now let's study in depth what all is given in the chapter. Yes. Continue.
The seven sister states are the contiguous states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, mm, mm, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura in the northeast part of India. In 2020, 202, Sikkim was included as
In
the
2002, not 200, it is 2002.
Sikkim was included as the eighth state of the Northeast region. These states are a part of the northern mountain range, and they lie in the
Purvanchal.
Purvanchal.
Purvanchal range. Let us read more about these states. Arunachal Pradesh.
That's all.
Arunachal
That's all,
Pradesh-
beta. That's all. So now what do they say? They are telling us the name of all the states that lie in the northeastern region. And also they are saying that in year 2002, Sikkim was also included as a part of this northeastern region. Yes, Sikkim was also included. Earlier, Sikkim was not a part of these sister states, but now it has been included as the 8th sister state in this region. See, I'll show you on the screen how closely these all 8 states are located. Yes. Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no. Even I cannot. Now you can see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see. Sikkim lies here at the top. Earlier, it wasn't a part of these 7 states. These are 7 states. All these states, they start from here and they go up till this area. Yes, Sikkim used to lie there on that side. Now, in 2002, what has happened? Sikkim has also been included in this part. You get that?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the 8th state. Now, these all eastern states, they are being bordered by Bangladesh, by Myanmar, by Bhutan, by Tibet, and by Nepal. So we are going to study all about these states. Then, starting with the first state, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Now, Arunachal Pradesh, see, here it is Arunachal Pradesh, colored all in pink. Now, what is this Arunachal Pradesh about? What all famous things it has and what kind of a climate it has? Let's just study it. Who will read Arunachal Pradesh? Alankrita, you will read.
Okay, ma'am. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a hilly state. The river Brahmaputra enters India through this state. Itanagar is its capital. This state receives heavy rainfall. People living in the flood-prone regions sometimes build houses on stilts to protect themselves from rains and floods. Farming and weaving are the main occupation of the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Wheat, paddy, and maize are the main crops grown here. Many tourists visit this state for its natural beauty. The Tuang Monastery and the Namdapa National Park are some of the famous places to visit in Arunachal Pradesh. Ma'am, should I read the Green Earth also?
Now, what we have seen? We have seen that they say that people living in Arunachal Pradesh make their houses on stilts, or they have stilt houses. Now, what are stilt houses? Just have a look. These are the stilt houses which are elevated from the land and built. They are made on bamboo sticks. Why? Because this region has got a very heavy rainfall and the houses gets destroyed because of the rain. They are destructed. So people build their houses to protect themselves from heavy rain. Otherwise, what happens? The rainwater enters their houses. Isn't it? This is what is going to happen. So they build their houses on stilt. These are called stilt houses. Can you see this? They are raised from the land and then they are built. Then, now this state receives a very heavy rainfall and people living in the flood prone regions. Now these states also sometimes get flood. Okay. You understand what flood is?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Children, just wait for a minute. I'll just be back. Okay.
Ma'am, can I read Assam?
Yes. Now let's study the state of Assam. Let's read about it.
Ma'am, can I read Assam?
Yes, beta, read. Start reading.
Assam is also known as the gateway to the northeast. The Brahmaputra River flows through this state, making the land fertile. Dispur is the capital, but
Guwahati.
Guwahati is the largest city. Rice and jute are the main crops. Tea is grown in the large area called tea plantation. Assam tea is famous all over the world. The Assamese women wear the dress called mekhla. Ma'am,
Mekhla chadar. Mekhla chadar.
Chadar. Bihu is a folk dance from Assam. Assam has 5 national parks. Out of these, the Kaziranga National Park is famous for its one-honored rhinoceros. Ma'am, the Kaziranga National Park, it was in GK.
Okay. And you
Yes,
studied
ma'am.
it because it is famous for its one-horned rhinoceros. This is why you
Yes,
studied
ma'am.
it? Yes. So where is it? In which state does it lie? It lies in the state of Assam. It is located in the state of Assam, the Kaziranga National Park. And also along with the Kaziranga National Park, we have the Manas. Yes?
A national park has
National
a
park.
The
tiger.
Manas National Park, which is famous for its tiger reserve and elephant reserve. Then
The Kamalaha temple
Kamakya.
Kamakya temple in Guwahati is another tourist attraction. The state is known for its Moga silk and bamboo handicraft.
Handicraft. Yes, it is famous for its silk and its handicraft. And the women of Assam, what do they wear? They wear mekhla chadar. Yes, just underline this line. They wear mekhla chadar, and Bihu is a folk dance of Assam. Now see, again in the map, if I show you, they are saying Assam is the gateway to the northeast. Now see, if we have to come to the northeast, if we have to enter any state, from where are we going to come? Are we not going to come from here? This is the way? Yes. First, we will have to enter the state of Assam. The one you can see in blue color. It is all the state of Assam. Suppose I want to go to Meghalaya. Meghalaya is here. Then also I'll have to enter Assam. If I want to go to Arunachal Pradesh, I'll have to enter Assam. Similarly, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. For all the states, I have to come to Assam. So Assam is known as the gateway to the northeast. That is the gate. Now, if the gate of Assam will be closed, will we be able to go to any other state? No, will not be able to go. This is why you call it as the gateway to the northeast. Then, next, after Assam, let's come to the state of Nagaland. Who will read Nagaland? Who will read the state of Nagaland? Arsalan, Aradhya, Mubashira, Praveer, Charitra, Ansh Patel, Shraddha, Taranveer. So many students sitting with their cameras off. Why so?
Okay, ma'am.
Ansh Patel will read.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ansh Patel, read out the state of Nagaland.
Ma'am, what?
Read out the state of Nagaland.
Ma'am, state of Nagaland.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. State of Nagaland is ma'am, I can't pronounce the state of Nagaland.
Beta, where are you reading, by the way? The line is Nagaland forms the international boundary. Where are you reading? Who will read? Praveer, will you read?
Ma'am, can I read?
I don't know. I don't understand. Where are the students lost? Praveer, where are you looking at? What are you looking at? You don't know
Ma'am,
where
he
we are
placed
reading?
name on
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
All those who are sitting with the cameras off, I'm removing you from the class. You are not present in my class. Ansh Patel, Taranveer, Daksh. No, sorry, Daksh is there. Juvraj. Beta, if you are in the class, please pay attention to what is being done.
Okay, ma'am.
Charitra, beta, open page number 83 and start reading the paragraph Nagaland. Again, Charitra has turned off the camera. What is happening? What are you people busy in? Okay. Arsalan, beta, you read out. Let me start removing these students. First, I'm going to remove Charit. The first turn is of Charit. Charit, beta, you are being removed from the class. Then it's Arsalan's turn. Arsalan is also being removed. Are you reading or not, Arsalan?
Ma'am, can I read now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a man that is taking loud speech.
Okay, mute yourself. Praveer, you start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Nagaland forms the international boundary of India with Myanmar located in the Naga Hill range. This region has wet and cool climate. Its capital city is Kohima. Nagaland is home to many tribes. Each tribe wears a colorful shawl with unique designs. Farmers grow rice, maize, millets, and potatoes. Weaving and woodwork are the other occupations. The Hornbill Festival, held in early winter, is a big tourist attraction.
So the Nagaland forms its international boundary with the country Myanmar. Yes, towards the right of Nagaland lies Myanmar. Nagaland's capital is Kohima, and it is famous for its Hornbill Festival, which is celebrated in winters. It attracts a lot of tourists for this festival. There are people.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I read the paragraph of Manipur state?
Yes, beta, you will get the turn. Now be quiet. Then Each tribe, now Nagaland is a home to many tribes. Different tribes reside or live in Nagaland. And each tribe wears different kinds of shawls with unique colors. Weaving and woodwork are other occupations that the people of Nagaland do. Then, starting with the paragraph Manipur. Yes, beta, Ansh Patel, read. Now, where is Yes.
Manipur shares its border with Myanmar. Loktak, the largest freshwater lake, is in the northeast of this state. The climate of the state is pleasant throughout the year, except during the winter months. When it is cold, farming is an important occupation and rice is the most important crop. Tea, coffee, rubber, ma'am, what's this
Cardamom. Cardamom is what? Elaichi.
Cardamom, fruits and vegetables are also grown. The famous classical Manipuri dance originated in this region. The capital of this state is Imphal.
Okay, now this state also shares its border with Myanmar. Then we have Loktak, the freshwater lake. It lies in the state of Manipur. And the climate here is pleasant throughout except for the winter months. Why? Because winter months are very cold. Then these are the different crops, fruits and vegetables that are grown in this region. And the capital of this state is Imphal. What is the capital? It is Imphal.
Imphal.
Very good. Then next, what do we have? The state of Mizoram. Who will read Mizoram? Aradhya Singh.
Okay, ma'am. Right. Mizoram is a hilly state and it shares its boundaries with Myanmar and Bangladesh. Agriculture is the main occupation of the Mizos. It has one of the highest literacy rates in the country. The Mizos make a variety of bamboo products and handicrafts. Chira, or the bamboo dance, is a popular folk dance. Aizawl is the state capital.
Now, Mizoram. Mizoram is also a hilly state and now it shares its borders with two countries, its boundaries with two countries, that is Myanmar and Bangladesh. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Mizoram. And what are the people of Mizoram called? The Mizos. See what they have written. They are called the Mizos. It has one of the highest literacy rates in the country. Now, what is the literacy rate? That is the people who are able to read and write. The people who are literate, that is literacy rate. So, in the entire country, it is Mizoram only which has the highest literacy rate. The Mizos make a variety of bamboo products and handicrafts. Chiro or the bamboo dance is a special or a popular folk dance. And what is the name of the dance? Chiro dance. Chiro or the bamboo dance. And Aizawl is the state capital. Aizawl is the capital of this state. Next, we have the state of Tripura. Now, who will read Tripura? Who has not got the turn? Alark has not got. Alark, beta, start reading.
Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. Rice, pineapple, and jute are the main crops grown in the state. Handicrafts are made of can, bamboo, and wood. Goria is a popular folk folk dance of Tripura. Agartala is the capital of state and state the Ajanta place in
Ujjayanta.
Agartala.
The Ujjayanta Palace in Agartala
The palace in Agartala, which is the state museum with
Muslim.
which is the state
Impressive.
museum with an impressive collection
of royal
and cultural
Cultural-
artifacts
cultural artifacts in an important tourist attraction.
Very good. Then, after Tripura, now see, Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on all three sides. Yes, Tripura is the state that is, you want to see in the map, beta? See here. Now, this is Tripura here. It is surrounded by water. Sorry, it is surrounded by what on all three sides? Oh, what is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. See, it has Bangladesh here also, in the south also, and this is also. This whole area is Bangladesh. The pink color state that is shown is Tripura. It is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides, and rice, pineapple, jute are the main crops grown in this state. Handicrafts are made from cane, bamboo, and wood. Now, everywhere in all the states we have seen there is a lot of handicraft work done with bamboo, wooden work, cane, and woods. Goria is a popular dance of Tripura. Now, you have to underline it. Goria is a popular dance of Tripura. Agartala is the state capital. Then this place also has Ujjayanta Palace, which is a very famous state museum, and it has impressive collection of royal artifacts. What is royal artifacts? The things of the objects of historical importance. They are called artifacts. After Tripura, now we have Meghalaya. Who will read the state of Meghalaya? Okay, Meghalaya, Alankrita, start reading.
Meghalaya, the land of the Khasi, Garo and Jaintia Hills, shares its border with Bangladesh. Meghalaya means the abode of clouds. Mawsynram, a village in the state, has the heaviest rainfall in the world. Agriculture is an important occupation. Rice, maize, potatoes, pineapples, oranges, and many other fruits are grown here. Shillong is the capital and is a popular tourist spot.
Okay. Then Meghalaya, everyone underline Meghalaya, the land of Khasi, Garo, and Jaintia Hills. Underline it. It shares its border with Bangladesh. Now see Meghalaya here on the screen, if you see in green color, it is the border. Yes, this border, it is sharing its border with which country? With again Bangladesh. This all green color state is Meghalaya. It shares its border with Bangladesh. Then it is also called the abode of clouds. That is the home or what do you mean by abode of clouds, children? Earlier also in a chapter we studied that Himalayas is known as the abode of snow. Yes, we studied it. What is meant?
Home of clouds.
Yes, now Meghalaya is known as the abode of clouds. Then after this we have Mawsynram. Now, one important thing here, Mawsynram is a village which receives heaviest rainfall in the world. So it can be asked, where is Mawsynram located? Or which is the place that receives, what is the name of the place that receives heaviest rainfall? And where, in which state it is located? You can be questioned this thing. Agriculture is an important occupation. Rice, maize, potatoes, pineapples, oranges, and many other fruits are grown here. Shillong is the capital and it is a tourist attraction, tourist spot. Why? Because Shillong is a very beautiful place. So it is also called, it attracts a lot of tourists. Then,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, Lankrita, read 2 times. Can I, ma'am,
Yes,
can I
beta,
read?
read.
Sikkim?
Daksh, read. Read it out.
Sikkim is the 8th state of the northeast region. Sikkim is bordered by Bhutan, Tibet, and Nepal. It has cool summer and cold in winter. It is a popular tourist destination. Farming and weaving are two major occupations. The red panda is found in this state. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim.
Yes. So now Sikkim is the 8th state that was included in year 2002 as the 8th sister state. It is bordered by, now see, Sikkim here on the top. Can you see this little blue state where I'm now putting yellow marker?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is bordered by 3 countries. One on this side. Okay. Yes, one on right hand side, the other on the left hand side, and one on the top. It has 3, it is bordered by 3 countries. Yes. Here we have
Excuse me?
Bhutan, here we have Nepal, and here on the top we have Tibet. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, this is the most safest state of India.
Why so?
Ma'am, because it is bordered by 3 countries.
So that makes it the safest place.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, and other states also have 3 countries.
Other states also have 3 countries. This Tripura is bordered by Bangladesh on 3 sides. There are not
Yes,
3
ma'am.
different countries here. Country is one only, but it is bordered on 3 sides with Bangladesh. And Sikkim, this state is bordered by 3 different countries on 3 different directions. One side we have
Ma'am,
this.
what is Tibetan? Ma'am,
What
what
is?
is Tibet?
Tibet is
Tibet,
also a country, beta.
Ma'am, but we have not even listened this country.
You must have not heard about this country, but it is a country. Yes.
Ma'am, this means if Daksh has not heard any name of the country, so that is no country.
Is that so?
No,
That
ma'am. No, ma'am. I have heard about many countries in
but not
Asia.
Tibet. But still Tibet is a country. Okay. So let's move ahead. Now this country, sorry, this state, Sikkim, has cool summers and cold winters. It is a popular tourist destination. And the red panda is also found in this state. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. So till here we come to the end of this chapter. Anyone has got any questions? Manya, read out in a nutshell.
The 7 sister states are contiguous states. Second, Sikkim is the 8th state of the northeast region. Third, Arunachal Pradesh is a hilly state. Fourth, Assam is the gateway to the northeast by road in the Kaziranga
Kaziranga.
and Manas National Park. Fifth, the Naga Hills are in Nagaland. The states also celebrate the famous Hornbill Festival. Sixth, the Manipur dance is the famous classical dance for Manipur. Mizoram shares its international boundaries with Myanmar and Bangladesh. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on 3 sides. Meghalaya has Khasi, Garo, and
Jaintia.
Hills.
Okay, very nice. So with this, we come to the end of the entire chapter. Now for the leftover time, 3 minutes are left. You will try to do this exercise on your own. I'm giving you little time. Everyone do this exercise, the first one, then we are going to discuss it.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I am done. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I have done this.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Now let other children also do. Okay, the first one. The Dash Hills are located in Meghalaya. Which hills?
Khasi.
Very good. The Khasi Hills are located in Himalayas. Everybody mark it.
Ma'am, Chera.
Very nice. Dash is a dance from Tripura. Which one? Chiro. Chiro is a dance. No, Chiro? Chiro is a dance from Tripura? No, beta. Which is the dance of Tripura?
Ma'am, Goria.
Goria. Chiro dance
Sorry,
is
ma'am.
of Meghalaya.
Sorry, ma'am, I confused.
Yes. No, Chira dance is of Mizoram. Chira dance is from Mizoram. Tripura is famous for its Goria popular folk dance. Then the wettest place in the world is
Mawsynram.
Mawsynram. And the state that is surrounded by Bangladesh on 3 sides.
Tripura.
Tripura.
Yes, that is the state of Tripura. Very good. Then coming on to the next exercise, fill in the blanks. Do it on your own. We'll discuss it tomorrow.